Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be teaching you guys how to create unlimited email without phone number verification. So first of all, we need VPN which will actually connect. So after, let's go and connect to the VPN. After connecting, I'm going to be connecting to US VPN because that's where mostly work for me. So after I connect, I then we'll go for the sign up. In this video, I will be creating two accounts and they will not ask me for verification because I know how to do it, and I'll be teaching you guys also how to go with it. Let's create new account. Personal. How about we just name it Tech Abdul? Then we go with mail and next. Obviously, choose your Gmail address. We are going to create our own. So we go with the Abdul. Let's see if it is available. Alright, it's available. Then password. Let me post the video. So after that, yeah, we are even in already. Add a phone number. I will skip this for now. And here is the account next. Okay, that's one. So click on create account personal. You will use any name of your choice. Is this one work? How about that do that? Sherry teach with use this teach with other teach. This is available. Let me post the so we continue. Yeah, see. And yeah, as you can see, we have just created about 2 accounts now without the number verification. So that's how you do it. You just keep changing your VPN and keep registering. Register with VPN. Mostly I use US servers because that's where I prefer. I think the requirement for the number is not that much. So that's how you get your unlimited numbers, unlimited Gmail account without phone number, and you can create as much as, let me say, 10 to 5 in a day. Then you leave the rest tomorrow and try it again. They won't ask for number that way. So that's it for this video.